trespasser, alien, the outcast, the tortoise turned on its side. I can see the stream from here, and I long to dance with the source. Can I fish for you, blue glimpse? A glimpse of the world as it was intended to be. The realism thrills me. In a world of perfect geometric shapes, of painted signs, of bright red automobiles, my hollow shell overflows with relief. For I have caught the world in coy disarray, in bashful asymmetry. I'm sorry if I disturbed you. I had thought you were done changing. But fair lilies in the stream, let me flatter you. You are such unperturbed beauty, a beautiful mess, as if some divine energy had a penchant for modern art. The trail I stumble down begs to recount to me. Please, can I tell you a story? Of what? What? Some archetypal tale to us with its paw prints and bird calls, freaks and daddy longlegs crawling under rocks like blue crabs? Moist air, shadowed filth, rocking trees, comforting one another in this dark, underground forest community. Blue forest glimpse. You are my catch, and my soul is your bait. Here is my glimpse of the world as it was intended to be. And the realism thrills me as a fervent wind thrills your branches. In a world of perfect geometric shapes, of painted signs, of bright red automobiles, I've wandered, lonely and seeking a friend. And I ask, can I belong? Crumble, crumble, crumble. I venture down and down, further and down, moving with the stream of wind. I'm a lone pebble, but unstranded. I am moving with the stream of wind as it caresses the wind above my head. In each breath and each crumble, I breathe in the equalizing power of nature, a burgeoning love that transcends the limits of being 5'3" when the branches are so tall. The air sings and swells with a knowing comfort, a tune I feel like I've heard my whole life, as constant as the seasons. And now I stare up at that dense ceiling of trees, and I whisper thanks before I even realized I had said anything. And now the dance begins. A dance that I can join in too. And the violins play, and there are brass and reeds and chords and winds and strings and shrubs and pebbles and rocks, debris and slugs, music and sound, color and light. Oh, rocking trees dance back and forth, dancing with my awe. They reply, yes, yes, I am a lone pebble, but moving and stumbling, being shaped and molded by the ground beneath me as it has beneath centuries and centuries of lava and strata. And then I stop, for I am stopped. A lone tree firmly separates itself from all the others. And so I whisper to it, tree, sway for me. Sway for me, please. It doesn't budge. I'm lowered from my floating enchantment. The winds until a fervent wind dodges from trunk to trunk, like a boomerang from corner to corner. Wind so dynamic it flickers like fire. Wind so hasty it drenches all the flimsier trees with its own leaking madness. We're all shaking madly, limbs of the forest shaking, limbs of my body petrified with wonder. We are all shaking madly, dizzy with the whippings of the delirious wind. Nature finally restores itself. Internal pulsing. The wind's wrath quickly wears, settles, smaller gusts, regulation. Even nature must rest. Internal pulsing prompts a limb of that stubborn oak tree to coyly bob up and down. And the world was finally in sync. I thank this forest sanctuary one more time before I leave. I am a most welcome trespasser, and my hollow shell is filled with burgeoning blue